everybody, this is Brenda Renier from Chalk and Talk at Renier's Coach House. Hello, Sarah and Teresa and Donna. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in. Hey. I'm so excited about my project tonight. Can't wait to share it with you. If I can get my surface out of the box. There we go. So this is one of our surfaces with Chalk Couture, and these come in 2 different sizes, and I have not used this surface yet, this big one. So I'm excited to show you what I'm going to do. Hey Roxanne, how are you? And Debbie. These are just really beautiful. I can't wait to show you. Hi, Maria. Welcome. Clean up my little station. So finally, the first day home in a while. Big trip to Michigan. And actually, I figured I would be dragging a little bit more than I am, but I'm faring pretty well. So, hi Debbie, I've got a question for you guys. So I found this cute little light thing back here, but I'm looking in my view. Can you guys see what it says on there, or is the lighting, is it just look like a light? Maybe I need to turn it off. Let me know. Can you read what it says? Because I'm looking at my video and I cannot tell what it says. Let me know. I need to clean this off. So I've enjoyed my day at home so much. It's beautiful in Kansas State. Just a light, okay? So let me see if I turn it. Can you see that? You can see what it says when I turn the light off. Can you read it now? Can you guys read it now? Or is it still kind of... No, still can't read it? Well, phooey, it's really cute. It's cute, but I wanted it for you guys to show up. I'll show you what it is. So it's just one of those little cute light things. And so this is what it's supposed to be, but it's supposed to be lit up so you can see it. But you guys can't. Anyway, just playing around. It was the perfect Chalk Couture color. I thought it was going to be cool, but it's blurry too. Oh well, it was only $10. It may I'll just have to use it for me, for something fun to say. All right, so I'm going to get this ready to go, and this is going to be a gorgeous Christmas piece. I can't wait to show you. Well, Teresa, those letters, that's just the way they come. So, no big deal. I'll just put like a motivational saying on for myself. Hey, Debbie, how are you? And I'm going to be using this transfer tonight, and I'm going to be using red shimmer paste. I cannot wait to show you what I'm going to do with this. So we're going to get this out, and so actually I'm going to create a bundle with this, and I'll have one available in my VIP page, so it will be this round surface, this transfer, and one shimmer paste. Hi Marla. And I'll put it on a really good special. I'll have to post it after I'm done here. But I'm excited. After I get done, Doug and I are going to go hang out outside because it's so nice. And maybe even start a little campfire or something. I don't know. We'll see. So this is a D-size transfer. It's from the newest release. And I need to fuzz it. So I need to get my fuzzing cloth ready. Hello, Debbie. How are you? So I'm going to stick half of this on here. Actually, I wish I have 2 fuzzing cloths. We're going to just do it half of at a time. I'm going to peel this up. This design just has the cutest, it is just a really cute design. In fact, I think I can go ahead and take this already off of here. Hi, Sharon. Take it off this backer. Actually, what I need to do is make sure my surface is clean. I don't want any extra things sticking to this. So let's just move it and fuzz the other side. This detail to this is just adorable. Can you guys see it? Look at the mittens, the holly, the berries, the bird presents. It's really cute. Really, really, really cute. Got it fuzzed, and now I need to get it all centered, and I'm going to be using the red shimmer paste. I have a red shimmer down here open, but I could not locate it. I may have taken it with me on my trip. You're tired? You had a 4-day retreat? Well, that sounds fun. You would think that I was a little bit more tired, would have been more tired, but I'm doing pretty well from our adventure to Michigan. It was a great time. So now I just want to get this centered as best I can. And this is not going to take long at all because I'm doing it all in the red shimmer paste. And wait to see. Oh, it's got cute little Christmas balls, packages. This really is cute. Looking to see. I'm thinking I got it pretty centered here. So now I'm just going to get the transfer. I'm having a training at my farm on Saturday, so looking to get those arrangements made. And we had somebody looking at the coach house tonight. They're wanting to get married at the farm in November, so it was showing them around, so that was fun. Really cute. How is everybody doing today? I was like going, what is today? Today was Tuesday, right? Because we were traveling yesterday. Yesterday was a Monday. It was July has just flown by. This year is going by so very quickly. So Christmas will be here before you know it, for sure. Making sure this is down good and tight. And anytime I'm doing a transfer this size, I love the 4-inch handled squeegee. And just a funny story to share with everybody. I signed up a new designer this past weekend, and so what's really cool with Chalk Couture, when you sign up, they give you an extra percentage off, a coupon, so to speak, off the additional 40%. So as designers, we get to purchase everything at 40% off. And so when you sign up, they give you a coupon that you get an additional 15% off. And so a lot of times people will stock up on things. And so she was making a wish list, and she was asking for recommendations of what you need for, what tools do you need? What paste colors are your favorite? So I shared that this tool right here is one of my favorite, and then there was a couple of on my team, and they didn't like this tool very much. I would not work without this tool. I love using it to get air bubbles out. And then I'm going to show you how quickly I can create with this using this tool. So I can't imagine not having it. But another tool that I don't use very much, and the other girls use it a lot, is the multi-tool. And I was just sharing, I just feel like it's, you know, when you start using something, you get used to a certain way. And this tool was not available when I started chalking. So I just don't use it very much. And I know lots of girls that use it a ton. So it's just funny how you get used to different things. All right, I think I have this down good and tight, how I want it. And now I need to open up my red shimmer paste because I've used it because I created my autumn sign with it, but I don't know what the heck I did with it. So we're just opening up a new one. I love these shimmer pastes. They're beautiful. Can't wait to show you what I'm doing with this piece. Hi, Karen. It does, Debbie. The time just seems to fly faster and faster. And this year, I have done so much traveling that it is just flown by. Flown. But I'm working on 2 other projects. I can't wait to show you for fall, something new, some ideas I came up with. But I need to get my surfaces prepped. And I'll show you, maybe I can do those tomorrow. We'll see. Are you fine? Are you kind of recovered, Karen? I hope. Karen was my chalking buddy for the weekend in Michigan. We had a great time. Hey, Jody. Dang, I should have had Rick's shirt on, his Michigan shirt on tonight. So I've got 2 great designers on my team, and one is a Michigan fan and one is an Ohio State fan, and they bought me shirts. I get to wear them. All right, so I'm going to show you how cool it is to use this squeegee right here and why you would want it. So I actually have another one. I'm wondering if it's over here. It may be still out in the trailer. I bet it's still out in my cart. But my other one, this particular squeegee, you can unscrew it and take it off the handle. And so I use that all the time. And I'm going to show you how easily I'm going to whoop this out because of that, having this big 4-inch handled squeegee. So I'm going to stir up my beautiful red shimmer paste. And I'm going to use a smaller squeegee to put my paste over the entire thing, and then I'm going to come back with this one and do the whole thing. Oh, you're still recovering, Karen? You know, I thought I would have slept in today because I told myself I was going to allow myself to sleep in, but I woke up and I was up and at him, and Doug, he was supposed to leave for Canada today and actually went all the way to the airport, and then the client he was going to go help, they called and said they weren't ready for him. So his trip got canceled, but he got, so the airport is an hour and a half away for us, so he got all the way to the airport. I think he was up like at 5 o'clock this morning, and then came back home. So I was glad that he didn't have to be gone all week, because it's just nicer when he's home. I do like the break, but we just have stuff going on. We've been gone. Anyway, so I'm glad he's home. Hi, Belinda. How are you? It's heat exhaustion. Yeah, you're just not used to being outside. All right, so you guys you see that I've blobbed this paste all over the entire thing, and I'm just going to take this and I'm going to run that shimmer all over. Ooh, I have an air bubble. Dang it. I hope that... So there's a little area right there I seen that I didn't have my transfer down good and tight. Looks like I might need to use a little bit more paste. Get that on here. This is just such pretty paste. Love it. All right, I think I got it. So now I'm gonna stick all of this excess. I'll come back and, whoa, look at all that. It'll go right back in the jar. Every bit of the excess will go back in for another project. No wasting any shimmer goodness. So right there is where I had a little bit of a bubble. So let's see what happens. I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with this. It might have to be mine hanging in my house. All right, I got it. Get the excess in here and let's get this thing pulled and let you see. Oh my gosh, the detail to this is just amazing. This just makes me so happy every time. Hi, Jody. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So let me go run this to the water and then I'm going to dry this and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. So for anybody that is new and watching, our transfers are reusable. And I took that transfer right into the shower. I'm very lucky I've got my shower there. So I turned the water on and then I put that transfer on the shower floor and ran more water over it. But I will wipe that off with our board erasers and water and then I'll be able to reuse that many times. But isn't this gorgeous? I love it. So I told you that I had a spot that I noticed down here at the bottom that I didn't get the transfer down good and tight. So I'm going to take a Swisper and actually, you know what? I'm going to dry this and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. It's so cool. Thanks, guys. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. But other than that, where I had that little bubble, this turned out perfect. You guys probably wouldn't even see it if I wouldn't tell you. But I'll be able to fix it just a tiny little bit where that bled. I'll take a Swisper and I'll be able to fix that. So as soon as I get this dry, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. Hi, Rachel. So glad you're tuning in. So excited about Rachel. She just joined my team. Such fun times ahead for you. I love it too, Jody. Seen you were hanging out at the pool again today. So jealous. I was wanting to be at the pool. All right, so hang on, guys. Look what I'm going to hang this with. Look at this. So last year at Vintage Market Days in Kansas City, I found this frame. Yes, you should be stocking your mailbox. Watch your emails because they'll send out a shipping update to let you know when it's going to be coming. So look at this gorgeous frame. It has gold highlights to it, so it's going to really pick up the gold in this frame. And then there is the red already on. This is exactly how I bought it, right? So I'm going to hang it on here. I need to make sure this is dry because I don't want it sponge, but hanging it on here and then finagling this ribbon and greenery for the side. Isn't this going to be gorgeous? I know, I wish I could swing on down to join you and hang out and have a few beverages at the pool. But I'm thinking this is going to have to hang in my house. I don't know if you guys can see the little ribbon and stuff too. So this has a fun little chain on here, and so I'll attach it to the back side with the nail. Hi, Julie. She's another new designer on my team. I'm so thrilled to have her. Got to meet her this weekend. I love this, you guys. Isn't this beautiful? So fun once I get it attached. All right, so if anyone is interested, I will have one of these bundles available. So I will have the surface, the transfer, and the red shimmer paste, and I will have one of them in the in my VIP page. It was so great to meet you too, Julie. It was so fun. I just love it. I just cannot be more excited about being involved in Chalk Couture and all the wonderful people I'm meeting. So anyway, I appreciate you all tuning in tonight. And hi, Debbie, another fun designer on my team. I think it's beautiful too. Isn't it gorgeous? So fun. So fun to repurpose and turn trash to treasures. It's a lot of fun. So if you're not a part of my VIP page, non-designers only, you can join that because I do specials in there and on my VIP. Thanks for tuning in. I would appreciate any shares, and we'll be chalking again real soon. So stay tuned because I have 2 fall project ideas coming in the next couple of days. Ideas for some new stuff. Thanks, everybody. We'll be chalking again real soon. Have a great evening.